Hey, Jim. How's it going? Hey, I got some stuff in the mail. Let me show you my parts. I got some goodies here, and hopefully these will be good news and bad news. So this part I showed you before, it is a gasket for the rear end of the truck, which I believe is a Dana, I think it's a Dana 60 or Dana 70 maybe. And then I ordered this, and this is the problem. This is the cover, and this is exactly how the company shipped it to me. In this box with no wrapping paper, no packaging material, no nothing. That's it. And then I pull it out, and we see that it's damaged. Look at this along the edges. This is the flat surface where it's supposed to mate and make an oil-tight seal. And look at all these dings and dents. And where's some other... it's just, the edges of this thing were damaged. Why on earth would you send this in a box that's not even a tight fit and let it just bang around? And then I start looking at the rest of this thing, and look at this casting. It's like it's rough, it's sharp. It's like the metal was put into the mold without being hot enough. You look at the outside, and it's just got like crackles, and it just doesn't look like a very good casting. So I'm not going to be, I guess it could be, I don't want to call it something racist like Chinesium, but this thing is made terribly, and unfortunately I got it on eBay, but it's just, that doesn't look right. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not a metallurgist, but that's no bueno. I guess if the rest of it looked okay, I'd be all right with it, but this sort of damage along the edge where it's supposed to sit tight and seal, sure, I could fix it with a file and all of that, but this is supposed to be a brand new part. So I'm going to return this, and I'm not going to reorder the same kind. I'm going to get something different. I'm going to spend a little more money. This one I think was $140 or something like that, so I'm going to go ahead and get one of those big maybe magnetic ones or something. I don't know. I'm very disappointed, so I'm going to return this. But now let's open this next box down. This is our Mercedes-Benz transmission tune-up kit. I have not opened the box yet. All I've done is cut open the tape. I haven't looked inside yet. So let's see what this has to offer. You might remember my beautiful R230 SL500 that has a transmission issue, and we're going to attempt to fix it by doing a transmission tune-up. And this is our transmission tune-up supplies. Let's see, I got this from FCP Euro. I did not go through eBay or Amazon. I went directly to the company. And look at that. They actually used packing material instead of just throwing everything loose in the box. The company that sent me that rear end housing should make note that, you know what, if you put packing material in, everything inside the box doesn't get damaged. Okay, there's a packing list. Lifetime replacement. FCP Euro. Yeah, okay. Oh, I like his name. Oh, kind of like his signature too. Almost looks like mine. Let's see, what do we got here? Okay, so we have our new transmission pan gasket. That looks nice. Okay. And we have all new bolts. These are single-use pan bolts. And what is this? Okay, looks like the crush washer for the drain. And we have a bunch of transmission fluid. And this should be the filter. Yep. That's our filter right there. Okay, so that's everything we need to do the transmission service on the Mercedes. And it's packed nicely, and FCP Euro obviously knows what they're doing. This box here, delivered to my front porch, cost me, I think it was just under $100. I knew I thought it was going to be 125, but it ended up being about $100. So that means we're going to be doing that transmission service very soon. And I'm going to have to send back that stupid rear end cover. What are they thinking? Sending an aluminum cast item like that loose in a box? I mean, come on. It looks like they have a lot of feedback. So they've been doing this for a while on eBay. I think they have 500,000 feedback. So they've been selling parts on eBay for a long time. You'd think that they would have learned by now that just a tiny little bit of packing material around a soft aluminum part like that would, I don't know, help it arrive undamaged. But maybe not. Anyway, I'm going to have to return it, and I hate returning things. So that's going to push back the truck repair. And I still haven't been able to order a catalytic converter yet. I decided to put on a 47 state cat, and I haven't been able to get anybody that would deliver it to a California address. So I may be stuck with doing a California catalytic converter on the truck. Anyway, even though I'm going to take it out of state fairly soon. But hey, those are the breaks. That's what you get when you get stuck with California rules. Oh, and one more thing. Wear your mask. Okay? Really, it's not a big deal. Even if it's just a bandana. Oh, and this is good. This, not so good. It's got to be over your nose and your mouth. Okay? Thanks. Thanks for watching, and wear your mask.